Alright, so it's the next day. Yesterday we were able to, after some fiddle farting and some struggle bussing, we were able to finally get all 8 pistons and rods into this block and bolted down to the crank, and we got them all torqued to spec. So now we're going to move on and we're going to start doing the valve train. We actually already put the timing chain gear for the crank on there, and then we're going to put the cam in it and do the timing set next, I think. And then maybe we'll move on to doing lifters and stuff, because I'm pretty sure with these lower, shorter deck, small block Fords, you got to put the lifters in before you put the heads on, I'm pretty sure. And we don't want to find out the hard way. So let's get started. Alright, so we pretty much got already had the bottom end buttoned up from yesterday, and we went ahead and started assembling the valve train. We put the cam in, the timing set, we put the oil pump on and got that in the oil pump drive, and then we rolled it over, and as you can see, we put the heads on. So we're in a little more than a short block and not quite a long block, so it's a medium block. So we're going to stop here today, and then hopefully the next video that we'll post up, we're gonna put still gotta clean the oil pan out. Still got all kinds of schmutz in there from when this thing ate itself up. So we gotta clean the oil pan out. And then we'll put that on, and then we'll proceed to finishing off the top end here with the rest of the valve train, and then the intake manifold and stuff like that. And hopefully we can have this thing together. Oh, and the timing cover as well. We gotta get some parts coming that we didn't have. So we're gonna have to get that coming before we can assemble some of this other stuff, like some seals and gaskets and stuff like that. But other than that, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.